Here's how to get Eldorado discount codes. First, check the official eldorado.gg website and blog. This should be your first place to look, because Eldorado may publish promotions, special offers, or discount codes directly on its website. Open the blog and check the latest posts for any active promotions or coupon codes. Next, check gg.deals, search for eldorado.gg, and look for any available coupons or promotional offers. gg.deals does have Eldorado GG coupons from time to time, but these offers can expire quickly. Make sure to check the website daily if you're waiting for a new discount code. You can also visit Worthy Penny and search for Eldorado coupons. Here, you may find different discount codes, along with information such as success rates or verification status. The most promising offers are usually displayed near the top. Keep in mind that coupon availability changes regularly. Codes can expire daily, weekly, or monthly. If one doesn't work, try another available code or check these websites again later for newly added promotions. That's all for this video. Thanks.